Imagine a bustling marketplace, overflowing with potential customers. They're all searching for products just like yours, but with millions of online stores vying for attention, how do you cut through the noise and make sure your business stands out? The answer lies in the power of PPC. In the ever-expanding digital landscape, e-commerce has become a gold rush. Businesses of all sizes are flocking to the online world, eager to stake their claim and capture a piece of the pie. But with this surge in competition comes a new set of challenges. It's no longer enough to simply exist online. To thrive in the e-commerce arena, you need a strategic advantage, a way to outmaneuver the competition and reach your target audience directly. That's where PPC comes in. In today's fast-paced digital world, consumers are bombarded with information from all sides. Social media feeds, display ads, email marketing, it's a constant battle for their attention. So how do you break through the clutter and connect with your target audience effectively? The answer lies in meeting them where they are, on search engines. When a potential customer is actively searching for a product or service online, they're already in a buying mindset. They've identified a need or desire and are actively seeking solutions. This is where PPC advertising shines. By strategically bidding on relevant keywords, you can ensure that your ads appear at the top of search engine results pages, SERPs, when your target audience is searching for products like yours. Unlike traditional advertising methods, which often rely on broad demographics and guesswork, PPC allows for laser-focused targeting. You can tailor your ads to reach specific audiences based on their demographics, interests, online behavior, and even their past purchase history. Now that you understand the power of PPC, let's dive into some actionable strategies to help you craft campaigns that deliver tangible results. Remember, the key to successful PPC advertising lies in understanding your target audience and tailoring your campaigns to their specific needs and preferences. Start by identifying the keywords and phrases your target audience is using to search for products or services like yours. Use keyword research tools to uncover relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. By bidding on the right keywords, you can ensure that your ads appear in front of the right audience at the right time. Your ad copy is your first, and sometimes only chance to make a good impression. Keep it concise, clear, and compelling, highlighting the unique benefits of your products or services. Use strong calls to action to encourage users to click through to your website. Your landing page is where the magic happens, the point of conversion. Section 4, Real-World Wins, PPC in Action. Let's bring these strategies to life with a real-world example. Imagine a small business selling handmade jewelry online. They're struggling to compete with larger retailers and need a way to drive targeted traffic to their website. By implementing a strategic PPC campaign, they were able to achieve remarkable results. First, they conducted thorough keyword research, identifying relevant keywords such as handmade jewelry, unique gifts for her, and statement earrings. They then crafted compelling ad copy that highlighted the unique selling points of their jewelry, such as the use of high-quality materials and the artistry behind each piece. To further enhance their campaign, they created dedicated landing pages for each product category, ensuring that visitors arriving from their ads were greeted with relevant content and a seamless user experience. The results were impressive. Section 5, Key Takeaways, your PPC cheat sheet. Let's recap the key takeaways to supercharge your e-commerce sales with PPC targeted traffic. PPC puts you in front of shoppers actively seeking what you offer. Measurable results. Track your campaigns, analyze data, and optimize for maximum ROI. Control your budget. Set daily or monthly limits, ensuring you spend wisely. Brand visibility. Even if users don't click, seeing your ad builds brand awareness. Section 6, ready to explode your sales? PPC is your ticket to e-commerce domination. The e-commerce landscape is fiercely competitive, but PPC offers a beacon of opportunity. It empowers you to cut through the noise, connect with your ideal customers, and drive sales like never before. Embrace the dynamism of PPC and watch your e-commerce business soar to new heights. Start small, experiment, learn, and most importantly, never stop optimizing. Your future success in the e-commerce arena depends on it.